doing a video on this, which I've had for quite a while now and haven't made a video on it. The reason is because it's been in KDS for repair. So let me just tell you a bit about the machine and then I'll tell you why I haven't filmed this. So I got this from the tip, which you're normally not allowed to take vacuums. I saw a lady walking towards me with this in her hand, about to tip it, and I asked if I could take it. She said yes, take it. Don't know if it works. Got home, it worked fine. All this worked up until I took it to KDS. That's just on and off. That's all been taken out, which I'm not too fussed about, but I'd like it if it did work. At least it did. I know it had worked. I removed the suppressor and buggered it all up. It's had a new rewind in it as well because I buggered that up. There's the plug on it, just some cheapy. This is a master plug. The rewind's a little bit sluggish, nothing too bad. I believe this was made. Let's get it in the lights. What's that? The 14th week of 14th week of 1985, which is the 5 stands for 85 and the 14 stands for the week. Here's the wheel on it. It's a bit wobbly and the rubber things come off, which I don't really care about. It's a bit scratched up, etc. A few marks on it, but I'm not too fussed. It works. That's all I care about, as long as it's shiny. So let's just take it apart. Here's the bag door. It had been used without a bag, unfortunately. Here's the bag, which you just pull up out of the machine. There's a bit of muck in there because I used it to clean out a vac the other day. A little bit of dirt, well, a little bit, let you see that. How much rubbish is in there. Someone might be coming in a minute, actually, to be fair. Some pipe or something in there. I don't know what that's for. But the bags are quite considerably big. That's a double micro. That one. So let me just put this in here. It's quite dusty, but I don't mind. It's an old Hoover. Right, so there we go. Here's the hose. So what I was going to explain, I took it apart, I broke it, took it to KDS, they fixed it, and that works. There's the hose I've got with it, nice and original, got a bit of paint on it, not too fussed about that. The one-piece wands, which, put that on, there we go, the suction control, and it's got the original floor tool. I don't use this, it's rubbish, so I use this one, which is the pneumatic one, which doesn't work too well on a pneumatic, but works okay on this because it's not as powerful as, well, I suppose it's about the same power as a Henry, new Henry, but it's just a lot quieter. So let me just plug this all in and see if it, and show you it running. So there we go, just a little running video. This is my daily vacuum for this week. It might be for next week, I'm not too sure. But anyway, you know, it's a nice little vacuum. It's alright for 32 years old. So It's alright for free as well. Well, I spent 40 quid on it, so Rewind ain't sluggish, probably better than most modern machines. There will be a few more videos to come up. The Q&A is actually coming up soon. I just haven't been bothered to make it. There's another video of the dust deck, the old 40s dust deck coming up. Video of a SIBO, which you might have seen in the background of this one. And yeah, generally more videos of repairing and faffing around with stuff. So yeah, there we go. That goes off. Let me just put all this up like this. Something like that. There we go. So I'd all like to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and bye for now.